Good morning. You're listening Nishi Sharma, your news anchor from the Alpha Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 10th July from around the world. How gangster Vikas Dubey reached Ujjain from Kanpur after shootout. Uttar Pradesh gangster Vikas Dubey had stayed in Noida for 2 days after killing 8 police officers in Kanpur. He spent a night in Kota and then reached Ujjain early morning. He got arrested from Mahakal temple in Ujjain on Thursday around 8:30 am. 2 people who accompanied him have also been detained. A vehicle registered at Ujjain has been confiscated. Another UP registered vehicle that they used to travel is being locked for, say police. One of the officials who was privy to information on Vikas Dubey's interrogation said that he was in Noida on July 5th and 6th and then moved to Kota on 8th. He stayed there for a night and then reached Ujjain, said the officer wishing enmity. This information given by Vikas is being verified by senior officials in UP. Main Vikas Dubey Hoon, Kanpurwala. The gangster gets tight slap from MP cop during arrest. Dreaded gangster Vikas Dubey's voice was silenced by a tight slap received on the back of his head from a Madhya Pradesh cop when he glared at people watching his arrest and growled, "I am Vikas Dubey, Kanpurwala." 2 other accomplices of gangster Vikas Dubey arrested from Ujjain. Dubey visited Mahakal temple using a VIP pass, Madhya Pradesh police. LAC standoff updates. India committed to ensuring its sovereignty and territorial integrity, says MEA. India and Chinese troops have begun the disengagement process at the flashpoint in Galwan Valley in Ladakh. However, there is still no signs that China is moving its almost 25,000 troops and weaponry from near the LAC. Corps commander level talks to be held between the armies of India and China after the working mechanism for consultation and coordination to be held today, reports ANI quoting to top government sources. Vacant spaces will be treated as temporary, not patrolling zones by India and China, and their troops won't come there. Second round of disengagement will focus on talk about moving back to permanent location as per discussion between NSA, Dovil and special representative from China, reports ANI top government sources. No compromise on safety security concern. Government on August 15, indigenous COVID-19 vaccine deadline. The Union Health Ministry on Thursday clarified that August 15 deadline for an indigenous COVID-19 vaccine is only to expedite duly approved clinical trials without compromising on safety and security concern. During the press conference, Rajesh Bhushan, officer on special duty, Health Ministry said, "Please don't read something which is not there in DG ICMR's letter." Coronavirus updates. Some localized outbreaks but no community transmission yet, government says. India recorded its biggest single-day spike on Wednesday with 25,530 fresh COVID-19 cases, breaching the 25,000 marks for the first time. The country's total gross load has reached 7,67,296. India's cumulative death toll is now 21,129. Tamil Nadu records 4,231 fresh coronavirus cases. Tally rise to 1,26,581. Death toll reaches 1,765 with 65 more fatalities. Maharashtra's COVID-19 tally rises to 2,30,599 with addition of 6,875 new cases. 219 deaths take toll to 9,667, Health Department said. Asia Cup cricket tournament postponed until June 2021 owing to COVID-19 pandemic, Asian Cricket Council. England vs West Indies. First test. Ben Stokes, Joseph Buttler drive England forward against West Indies in Southampton. India and US join hands and take Ayurveda research global. India seeing green shoots of economic recovery, PM Modi. I, Nishi Sharma, will come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.